In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Yaris key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a super easy process. You don't need any special tools to get it done. You will just need one of these CR2025 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step here is to turn this device over, hold down this switch, and pull out the internal key. And now we're actually just going to put the key back in about halfway. Hold the device loosely in our hand and just twist this key. And it doesn't take much force. You're not damaging it at all, damaging your device at all. That's how it's intended to be opened. Let me show you that once more. Just inserting the key in, holding loosely, twist. Doesn't take much force. And now we can just pull off this little disc with our fingers. And you can see the battery just falls right out. It's not held in there or anything like that. You can just slide it right out. Get rid of the old battery, get a new CR2025 battery. And when you're putting it in, make sure the positive side goes face up. So you'll just slide it in like that. You can click the disc back on there and you want to squeeze that all the way down. And just click the back piece of plastic back on there. Put your key back in there and now you can test it. You can make sure that light comes on. That means that you did everything correctly and that your battery is charged and you're good to go. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or you can let me know just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model. You can always check those out. You can also visit us over at our website, fobbattery.com.